How to fix audio sync issues on TikTok. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is clear TikTok cache and restart the app. So, launch your TikTok app. Navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now here you're going to find different option. Click on the option free up space. Now click on clear for the cache. Now I can close it and again relaunch your TikTok app. This might resolve the issue. Next thing you want to do is, using Bluetooth can introduce a 100 to 300 ms delay, causing audio to lag behind video. Many creators report better sync with wired headphones. So avoid Bluetooth headphones while recording or listening. Likewise, use a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can make TikTok sync algorithm falter. Switch from weak Wi-Fi to mobile data or a stronger network to check if that helps. Next up, update TikTok. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Re-upload via TikTok editors. Upload privately, free with the sound. Use the green screen effect, overlay your video and re-add the sound. This forces TikTok to fully reprocess the audio in sync. And that's it. These are some fixes for audio sync issues on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.